Hi there, students. To finagle. Yeah, to finagle, a verb. I was wondering if you could use it as a noun, but I think it's only a verb. Okay, to finagle means to use tricks and dishonest methods to get what you want. I finagled my way into the party. I finagled an invitation to the party. I finagled a way to get my name on the guest list, even though I wasn't invited. We finagled our way into the concert without tickets. We pretended to be roadies. Okay, so it's using trickery, being dishonest, yeah, using an indirect method to get something you want. He finagled a ride home, yeah. So he used indirect methods. Oh dear, I'm going to have to walk all that way, and there's no bus at this time, and then somebody says, "Look, I'll take you home. I'll give you a lift." Maybe stockbrokers that finagle their clients out of money. Yes, so to cheat or to swindle. I managed to finagle a day off work. Yeah, I finagled a reservation at this restaurant. Yeah, so to wangle. Yeah, I wangled a day off work. Notice wangle is a pretty informal phrase, probably 3 in formality. He finagled the investors in backing the project. Okay, so to manage to get, to obtain by maneuver, by trick, by sly and smart ways of doing things. Okay, to obtain by trickery. So yeah, the cat is always trying to finagle more food out of me. Yeah, he's trying to trick me into the fact that I believe that he's hungry, but he's not really. Yeah, he just wants more food. He's just being greedy. Okay, so to finagle, to get by trickery, to get by jockeying or maneuvering or pulling strings. Yeah, so yeah, I had to finagle a day off work in order to go to the football match. Yeah, I had to find a clever, tricky way of persuading the boss, which is not an easy thing. So, how formal is this word finagle? I think I'd probably give it something like a 4.75 in formality. You definitely use it in an informal conversation and in a semi-formal writing. I think maybe in something very formal, be careful. Yeah, I would maybe use to cheat or to use sly means. Yeah, when you're finagling, you're especially persuading someone who doesn't really want to do it. Yeah, I finagled my dad into lending me his car. Notice as well, to finagle is a regular verb. He finagled the investors. He's finagled everybody here. He's tricked them. Notice this word finagle. I think if you use it, many people may not understand it. That doesn't mean it's not a good word, but just beware if you use this, if you drop this into your conversation, I think you're going to have many native speakers say, "What? What does that mean?" And then as to origin, well, it's actually an Americanism from the 1920s. It probably comes from the word to Fainaigue, yeah, which is an English word meaning to cheat at cards or to not pay the debts from betting at cards. To finague, to just not pay them. And maybe then finagle comes from this word to finague. Let's see, also Maybe it comes from Fainaigue. To feign means to pretend, and ague means an acute illness. So you're pretending to be ill, to act sick, if you like. And that may be another origin of it. Okay, notice to finagle, this word at cards, is a Britishism, but finagle is an Americanism. It's quite interesting how it's gone from one to the other. So to finagle, to get somebody to do something by trickery or dishonest means. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Finagle.